We lost sunrise mode and the Mi Band pairing functionality, but gained Apple HomeKit support. This is the Mijia Bedside lamp version 2, proudly made by one of my favorite companies, Yeelight, and I'm Alex Crane, a starting out tech YouTuber. Unfortunately, I don't have the first version, since I actually prefer the Philips take on the flask of light. As always, I start out with testing the PVM of any lamp I get my hands on. Different products, even from the same manufacturer, might have drastic discrepancies. Good news! The Mijia Bedside lamp is absolutely safe and scores under the 5% mark. Next on the list is the minimum brightness. It actually beats the Philips, to my surprise, and goes slightly lower. It does have a more cold color temperature, and I personally prefer the warmth of Philips. The maximum brightness is 400 lux. With a little help from outside sources, we can meet the 500 lux criteria for ideal studying conditions. Connectivity. Although the lamp has both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, I guess they decided to throw away the BLE hub in this lamp. To be honest, I was rather skeptical about its usefulness back in the comparison video of the temperature and humidity sensors. But if you do have Xiaomi's devices with Bluetooth that you might want to connect, watch out. Obviously, the big thing is Apple HomeKit, and it connects flawlessly. But you can also control the lamp via both Xiaomi's Mi Home and Yeelight's own app. Personally, I prefer the latter. It feels more refined and lets you control multiple Yeelight products at the same time. Design is a very personal thing. I feel that the more bubbly nature of the lamp makes it more calm and welcoming compared to the older generations. Not a huge fan of the tactile controls, but it helps to keep the lamp smudge-free. And you can always turn it around to somewhat hide the buttons. You're also more limited with controlling the light without your phone, having to set up desired colors and limiting yourself to 4 color temperatures or 7 colors. On the other hand, you'll get your favorites with a click of a button without needing to guess or fine-tune if you have a very specific taste. In the Mi Home app, you can set the time you wish the low light mode to kick in. In the Yeelight app, you can actually turn it on whenever you desire. A nice touch is the automation window that pulls up your Xiaomi's motion detectors, smart locks, and makes it that tiny bit faster and easier to set up. My biggest gripe is the power adapter. You can't just take any USB cable, and the cable is rather short, just 1.5 meters, so you won't be moving this easily. All in all, I really enjoyed this light, and I really want to get my hands on the first generation. It seems they stopped selling it, at least here in Ukraine. Your likes and comments will boost my channel in the algorithm, so if you have 10 seconds to spare, I'll be very grateful if you just hop in and say hi. And if you're into tech videos, subscribe, there'll be plenty more. So see you in the next one.